Welcome back to MarineMax, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and today we're aboard a brand new 250 SDX outboard we have here at MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. This is going to be a very popular style. With the outboard, you're not going to have to winterize the boat, so it makes it a very good year-round boat here on Lake Lanier. And they've solved one major thing. With the backrest that flips forward, you can then completely open up your boat. So here in the back, you now have a wonderful entertainment space. If you don't want to get in the water, you can stand out of the water, have seating, and then on the SDX model, you'll have plenty of deep storage with access to your batteries. So they got a lot of the feedback that they've had from customers in the past about the SDX and kind of redesigned it to give you access to everything. When you're in the water, you do have access to your, it's a little cooler box. You can put a drain in there, fill it up with ice, and then all the water will drain into the bilge. Easy fueling right here on the side, radio controls, grab handles as you walk in the boat, and again, reversible seating. We love the SDX model because of how all the seats flip like that when you are up here at the helm. You have those same seats, so when you do entertain on the lake, you have it to where you can have everyone close right here. And again, if you want more space interior, you can move that rear section back. Another plus is you do have the sports tower on board. So you'll have a tow point right here for your wakeboards, collapsible bimini, and then the tower is gas strut assisted if you wanted to lower it to put it on a lift or put it under a dock that has a little less clearance. Up here at the helm, you have a very nice dash. You have the SIMRAD behind the cover. You'll have a Bluetooth Fusion radio. You have underwater lights, as well as some courtesy lights in the interior. You won't have to have your blower switch over here because it is an outboard, but your bilge is right below it. USB port, you have an aux port, and then you have a 12 volt if you wanted to put in like a spotlight. On this model, it's also very versatile with a nice head. Around, you'll have plenty of space for storage. You have some storage up underneath your cushions as well. So if you wanted to use this as a head, a lot of people normally use it more for storage. You can fit a lot of life jackets, put all of your rafts down there, and it's a little more insulated from the elements. So we move forward. You're going to be in the last section of the SDX 250 with the very spacious bow. It is a bench style seat, so you can have a couple people sitting facing forward while you're driving, couple wide, and have nice grab handles. Same mimicked on the front, so you could put 6 people up here in the sun if you wanted to have a nice dinner, or in the back you have that second section under the shade. You'll have access right here to a bow boarding ladder. This is great for if you get up close to a beach, or let's face it, kids jumping in the water, they can run through the boat, jump off the bow, close it up. It definitely opens the boat to a very configurable boat. We'd love to show you this boat in person, so give us a call today to set up your appointment.